Welcome back, everybody, to our update for SMCI for today. Before we continue our video, guys, remember our content is just for education purposes only. As usual, we don't provide any financial advice, and nothing shown here is guaranteed for profit or investment result. So let's get right to it, guys, and discuss SMCI, because right now we have an interesting accumulation zone just below the 50-50. Because right now, as we said before, guys, the 50-50 is the most important level that we have to break. The 46 is still currently our support, and now, as you can see here, we kind of neutral. We don't have any major shift in the price action, but the good thing is we got the volume is picking up, because yesterday is below the 20, and right now we might close over the 21k or the 21 million worth of volume. So we see a bit of interest of investors for SMCI, and this is really good because we need a lot of volume in order to break this resistance and go toward the 56.66. So right now, let me just give you a feedback or a bit of what happened before. We got a bit of accumulation here for 2 weeks. So now this accumulation happened in just 2 weeks. And remember, this is not the first time SMCI did this kind of reaction, not doing anything. Since the last pullback, we have a lot of accumulation for 1 month. So 2 weeks is not that bad. After this huge jump from the $40 back here, guys, from the 24th of June, we did almost 22% in 2 days, and right now we accumulate it a bit to recharge before another jump of 20% here, or 15% around the 56.66. We're gonna discuss all those update or all those level if we have a breakout for tomorrow in pre-market, first on our Discord and Patreon, the link in the comment section below, and after that on our YouTube 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow.